All right, welcome back. This is a tool that we're going to go over in this video that I like a lot. So I'll spend a few videos going over it. And it's Link Prospector from Citation Labs. Let me show you. You can go to citationlabs.com and you can find Link Prospector. Or you can just go to linkprospector.citationlabs, I guess. But anyway, this is a tool that I like a lot. I'll give you a little history of Citation Labs from what I know of it. This is put together by Garrett French, and if you're familiar with Eric Ward, you know who Garrett French is. He co-authored the best link building book ever, with Eric Ward and Garrett French, I helped him put that together. In fact, Eric Ward often said that without Garrett, the book never would have been written, and he confided into me that he just sent all his material to Garrett, and Garrett organized everything, and really was a good partnership because the book turned out awesome. I still read it. It's still applicable today, just as applicable today as it was when they wrote it, and that's just tremendous respect to be able to do something like that in this industry. It's just an amazing effort on their part. Now, what does that have to do with Link Prospector? Well, I know for a fact that Eric Ward was really big into doing using advanced search operators and using Google to find the links that he needed. And I know that Garrett French is too, and the two got together, and this isn't Eric Ward's collaboration, but certainly Eric Ward's insight, I think, is in their system and how they pull links and how they find it. So I use it, and because it works. And so I recommend it. I'm not sure what the pricing is on it. It's really affordable per search. You have to buy some credits up front, but I don't know. What are they charging these days? Who knows? You have to look. All right, so I put up a small business loans client. I can't put their name up. And I would show you how to create the account and stuff, but then it pulled up all my clients' accounts that I'm working on right now, and I didn't want to have to blur those out. It's really a pain. All right, so now there's all kinds of different types of opportunities once you get in here. And you can search for guest posts. Certainly guest posts are great link opportunities, especially if it's on sites that get great traffic, and it's the type of traffic that is your end users. And if you're not sure, you can use SEMrush or SpyFu to figure out what the traffic numbers are of the site. But we find a lot of guest post opportunities with this right here. Also, we use it to find link pages, and we'll get into that in another video. We do it so like resource pages. That's one of those must-have links that if there's resource pages for your niche, your site needs to be on it. It's a must-have link. And that's where we find those must-have links. So like I said, this tool is really important to us. All right, content promoters, if you're looking for somebody to help you, we'll go over this in the upcoming video too, to promote your content, this is where you find them. And also, if you get into like donation campaigns or giveaways, if you're looking for directories, and we'll get into that in another video, that's another thing your site should be on, not just on the niche-specific link pages, but resource pages, but also the directories. But that's a lot of what we'll get into in the next module as we get into must-have links that your site needs to have in order to rank. All right, so also we'll go down the list here. You can find forums. I don't really do too much in forums anymore, which is kind of weird because I made a lot of money in forums in the past, a lot of money, and I don't really mess with them anymore. Commenting, I don't really do blog comments. Reviews, if you're looking for somebody to review your products, your services in your space, it's a really good opportunity there too. And that's the overview. Well, no, let me move over here. If you can also find professional organizations, you can find maybe some blogs from your industry if you're having a hard time finding them all. Now, how does this work? Well, I'll show you in the next video. But for the most part, understand that with Citation Labs, you can find all these different types of link opportunities. I'm trying to move this over. And there's, like I said, there's a lot of them, and you can definitely use this tool to build links. And I'm not sure what the pricing is. Let me go find the pricing. Yeah, like it's very affordable. Cost of Link Prospector. Pay as you go, buy credits without a subscription for $5 a credit. And that'd be about $5 a search, and that's expensive. That's way too much for me for a search, especially when you could go and I buy the agency, obviously, and I get 75 credits. So that's 75 searches I get, so I can do like, so if I want to look for one client, and I want to look for guest posts, and I want to look for resource pages, and I want to look for niche directories, and I want to look for influencers, content promoters, that's going to be like 4 or 5 credits. Now that's a lot cheaper, under $1 a piece, as opposed to $5 a piece. Obviously, he wants you on the subscription. But even if you buy the $47 a month, that gives you 20 monthly credits, and that's less than, well, a little more than 50 cents a search, and that's a steal for finding these prospects. That's something that I recommend. I'm not affiliated with Garrett French. In fact, he unfollowed me as soon as I wrote an issue of the Eric Ward's newsletter when I filled in for him. But hey, he probably showed good sense, huh? But so I'm not affiliated with him. I'm not friends with him. I just use this tool, and I can't say enough good things about this tool. In fact, so many good things. I think I'm just going to end this video, and we could just get right into how to use it.